Hello! In this video, we'll show you how to install and activate your HD or DVR cable box. To begin, let's talk about what is included in your kit. You should have a cable box, an HDMI cable, a power cord, a universal remote control, 2 coaxial cables, and a welcome letter. Some of these items may not be necessary for your installation, but have been included in the event you need them. Okay, let's begin. Step 1. Disconnecting your previous cable box. Follow this step only if you are replacing previous cable box equipment. Turn off your television and current cable box. Disconnect the power cord from the back of your connected cable box and remove it from the power outlet. Note, your new box may have different power requirements. It is best not to use the old power cord with your new box. Next, unscrew and remove the coaxial cables from the ports labeled Cable In and to TV, if connected, from the back of your box. Now, set your previous cable box aside. At the end of this video, we'll give you instructions on how to return your equipment. Step 2. Connecting your new cable box. First, connect a coaxial cable from the wall outlet to Cable In on the back of your new cable box. Next, connect the HDMI cable from the back of your cable box to the HDMI input on your HD TV. Be sure to note the HDMI input used on the TV, as you'll need to tune your television to this input once you turn it back on. If you do not have an HDMI port on the back of your television, set the HDMI cable aside and instead get the second coaxial cable included in your kit. Connect this from the back of the television to the port on the new box labeled To TV. Finally, connect the power cord from the back of your cable box to the power outlet. Now, power on your television and your new cable box. Then, using your TV remote, tune the TV to the appropriate HDMI input. Step 3. Activating your new cable box. Note, if you ordered any additional cable boxes, you install those before you proceed. To activate your new cable box or boxes, call 1-800-562-9769 and follow the instructions given. Once each box has been activated, it will turn off automatically. Please wait 5 minutes before powering it back on. After the box is activated, you will be able to watch TV while the guide information downloads. You may see a "To Be Announced" message displayed until the guide download is complete. If you were replacing a previous cable box, here's how to return your equipment. Place your cable box into the shipping box that was used to deliver your new Mediacom equipment. Please make sure to include all items being replaced, such as the previous power cord and remote. Close and seal the box, and then place the enclosed return label on the outside of the box, completely covering the previous shipping label. Refer to the letter in your equipment kit for mailing instructions. If the unused equipment is not received within 15 business days, this may result in an unreturned equipment charge. The charge will be removed from your account when we receive the equipment. If you need additional support with your equipment installation, activation, or return, contact us or visit us online. Thank you for choosing Extreme.